letter F middle sound. Let's look at these words. Giraffe, scarf, leaf, calf. Do you hear the first sound in these words? Yes, you can hear the first sound at the end of these words. Let's listen to these words again. Giraffe. Giraffes are very beautiful animals. They have a long neck so that they can eat leaves from tall trees. Let's listen to the word scarf. Scarf. Girls like to wear a scarf. Leaf. Can you tell me the color of this leaf? Our Pakistan flag also has a green color, just like this leaf. Let's look at this word. Knife. We cut vegetables and fruits with a knife. Knife. Calf. Do you know which animal's baby is this calf? Baby of the cow is known as calf. Giraffe, scarf, leaf, knife, calf. Can you notice the sound at the end of all these words?
Like, share and subscribe.